Have you ever wondered what it takes to grow a little life from something you'd usually throw away? We found a fresh, plump seed inside a lemon and decided to give it a chance, embarking on a 45-day journey to see what could become of it. It all begins with this tiny, unassuming seed, holding the potential for a whole tree within its smooth, pale shell. First, we carefully peel away the outer layer to help it germinate faster. Then, it's time to prepare its first home. We fill a small pot with rich, dark soil, creating a cozy bed for the seed to rest. A gentle push places it just below the surface, tucking it in securely. The final step for this initial stage is a thorough watering, a drink to awaken the life dormant inside. With that, we cover the pot to create a humid, greenhouse-like environment and begin the patient wait. The journey has officially started. For days, the surface of the soil remained unchanged, a quiet and still landscape. But then, on the 10th day, the first sign of a miracle appeared. A tiny, determined sprout, no bigger than a pinhead, broke through the earth. It was a moment of pure magic, the first visible proof that our efforts were not in vain. Over the next week, we watched in awe as the sprout stretched toward the light. A time-lapse reveals its incredible dance, twisting and reaching upward as if in a slow, silent ballet. The delicate green shoot grew taller with each passing day, a fragile yet resilient beacon of new life. As the plant entered its 3rd week, it began to truly take shape. The single stalk unfurled its first set of leaves, a pair of glossy, vibrant green ovals that looked like tiny wings. These first true leaves are crucial, as they begin the process of photosynthesis, converting sunlight into the energy needed for growth. Seeing them open up was incredibly satisfying. We knew it was time to give our growing seedling more of what it craved. So we moved the pot to a windowsill, where it could bask in ample, indirect sunlight. Regular watering continued, making sure the soil stayed moist but not waterlogged, providing the perfect balance of care to support its development. In the final phase of our 45-day experiment, the lemon plant transformed from a delicate seedling into a robust and thriving young tree. It stood proudly, now several inches tall, with multiple sets of lush, deep green leaves branching out from its sturdy stem. Each new leaf felt like a small victory, a testament to the daily care and the plant's own powerful will to grow. Its presence on the windowsill brought a touch of nature indoors, a constant and beautiful reminder of the journey from a simple seed. It was no longer just a sprout. It was a small, vibrant plant full of promise. And just like that, from a single seed rescued from a kitchen scrap, a new life has taken root and is flourishing before our very eyes. This healthy young lemon tree, with its glossy leaves and strong stem, is the beautiful result of patience, care, and a little bit of sunshine.